This is from Henny of Parañaque City. Hindi ba malungkot ang Pasko at New Year dyan sa Davao? Balita ko wala raw firecrackers dyan.
You can shout if you want. But it's a matter of noise. What makes the day or the night worth being awake until the wee hours of noise? It's the noise.
Yeah.
We practice with the shouts and not even that yung mayroon kasi ditong bago na introduce ng mga negosyante yung it's no longer pyrotechnics actually. It's just electronic sound. Pati yun, hindi ako pumayag. Kasi it's not good. Create so much noise and you deceive. Kaya nga, kasi bawal eh. Pagpaputok ka na yung parang may sound system, you deceive everybody and the police will always go to you. Magulo lang.